But we decided to add this so that it will look like more pretty. It adds a little bit of our...
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, good morning. So today's video we are making balloon wall.
Like balloon backdrop.
Yeah, balloon backdrop wall.
Yeah, and then
So it's gonna be like that.
yeah, we already pre-made this at home.
Show you the bottom of those. There's like water weights.
Water weight here, guys. See, we put some weight here with water and latex balloon and color.
So what we're gonna do here is basically we'll make columns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and we will attach them all together.
Later, yeah.
And then it'll become a big wall of balloons right here. Okay guys, so I left a string right here so I don't have to grab another one, so I will just continue making column right here. So as I said, we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, so this will be the back of your wall balloon. So this will be the base basically, the back. So 2, attach it like that, and continue your column. So we decided to have it at least 12 high, the column.
And the size is 8 inches as we mentioned already.
Okay guys, so we have the 12 high stack of balloons right here. So we will connect them all together so it'll be like solid square.
And sturdy.
So remember the string, the extra string? Lock it in here. Connect it here. So guys, that would be the back of your balloon. So I'm gonna connect them on the bottom as well, so it's perfectly
Square.
So I just tie them all up here, nice and tight. So your balloon it looks square. this to the top as well, so it's nice and secure. And then this one too. I'll tie it here securely.
For the last
Just
string.
twist them. Okay. So guys, this is the wall of your the balloon wall. So now we need to add some clusters of balloons here everywhere that cover the strings here and there, and it will look nice. So guys, now we have to make some clusters of balloons, any sizes that you can use, and you connect it with a string. Like what I call this, 260 or 160 cube.
So for the clusters, guys, we have different sizes of the balloons. We have 5 inches, this one, the tiny ones. We have 11, 9, and then we just inflate it with, you know, any sizes.
Okay guys, so we have some clusters of balloons here. Attach it with a 260Q or 160Q, and now you just have to connect it here anywhere you want it. To fill in the gaps right here, or try to cover the string. And make sure that your 160Q or 260Q balloon is not showing as well.
We're still trying to patch fill the, you know, gaps. So we need to make sure that there's no gaps and strings are not visible, shown. So we'll still keep working on it until it's all done. So we decided to add these flowers here. We don't have much of the purple ones, so that's why we had a few, but we decided to add this so that it will look like more pretty. It adds a little bit of art. And also there's number 9 silver balloon.
Okay guys, it's finally done, and here's the final look. I hope you guys like this.
It's number 9.
Number 9.
Flowers.